Okay, he's a shooter. He's a shooter. Okay, okay. Will he choke up? Will he choke? Oh, there we go. You know we out here today. Sir. Oh, fuck. We got some toys today. Got the new Glock. So, all right, so we finna shoot both of these, the Taurus G3 versus the Glock 45. All right, like I said, they're both like, you know, similar. So it is what it is. You gotta load up. So we just loaded this boy up. 15 rounds, which is like a Glock 19. This one's the Glock 45, but again, it has the slide of the Glock 19, but the frame has the Glock 17. That's why I like it, because more rounds, you know what I'm saying? So it's fun to test them out, see which one's better. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. I forgot to cock it. Alright. I missed both of them. That's crazy. But if I'm being honest with y'all, this one has a little bit more recoil than this one. Even though they're the same length, I don't know what's going on. Maybe the spring situation, or I mean, I ain't gonna get tactical with y'all boys, because even though we tactical can be, I ain't gonna give you your manufacturer manual book of the barrel length and the spring, and I ain't doing all that. I'm just going by how it feels when I shoot. But yeah, I mean, it's a shooter. Both of them are a shooter. So, but I'm gonna get my little brother to get in to shoot the 43X so you can see the recoil. What? On it. Also, this is the first time shooting this little bad boy. Remember, you took it off safety?
Yes.
All right, go ahead and do what you gotta do. We haven't got no more round, man. Look at that. Come on, tripper. All right. So you can see, I don't know if you saw it, it has a little bit of recoil, but nothing he can't handle. We're trying to break this one in, because this is barely, you know, this is my Christmas present, all right, for myself. Okay. Gonna have him shoot it. Go ahead and cock it. Now that one doesn't have safety, so shoot what, 5 rounds, 6 rounds? All right, same thing. So, which one do you feel had more kick?
Oh, the Taurus.
The one you got? Oh, that boy's strapped up. Oh, he a menace.
Oh, say less.
So, go ahead and cock your gun. Oh, he's a shooter. So what you're gonna do is You're not gonna start with the holster because you're not. I don't know if you're comfortable yet. But you're gonna take it off your holster, and then I'm gonna tell you when to start. You're gonna shoot all 3 targets twice. Here in this one, you're gonna shoot middle. Down there, you're gonna shoot the one on the right. And then, when you get over there to that square, you're gonna shoot 2 on the left. All right. You ready? Go ahead. Okay. And oh hell no, bruh.
Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Alright. Now you're shooting the one that's in front of you. This one right here is at an angle, so you gotta make sure you're hitting it. Okay. Take your time. There you go. Now move over there. Now you're shooting that one. Down right there. 1, 2. There you go. Now put on safety and put in holster. How was that?
That was nice. I just
Sensational.
So let me run that drill with this belt. Let me do that. There's the new one. Damn. Damn. Oh, I don't got no extra magazines. That's crazy. Ah, that's crazy. Would have been dead. All right, so we're gonna do 8 rounds in each one, and we're gonna do the same. We're gonna do the same drill. We'll do, since you're a beginner, we'll do 1 shot, not 2. So when you make 1 shot, ding, move to the other one, shoot that one, ding, and then you move to that one, ding. Whoever uses less ammo wins.
all right.
You have. There you go. Move on to the next one. There you go. Last one. There you go. Put on safety, holster it. Alright. Now this is first time. So
I have 1 left.
he had 1 left. But since I am him, you know, this is gonna be light work. That way I can make a challenger for myself. I'm gonna just shoot with 1 hand. That way it can be fair. So let's see. 1 hand. Alright. Oof, Call of Duty. Let's see. Oh, he didn't want it. 1 hand. While I'm walking too. I'm gonna do while I'm walking. Oh, boy. Winner, dog. I'm him.
It's a difference. You have the Glock. And
Oh, he's saying, alright. You know what? Let's give it to him. I'm gonna get the Taurus, and he'll get the Glock. We finna load up real quick. But I mean, I wasn't going full on. I had 1 hand, so okay. He's gonna do it now with the Glock, since he says I'm winning because of the Glock. So go ahead. Remember, 1 shot, ding.
this one.
Yeah, go ahead and put it up. on. You ready? Go. All right, go ahead. All right. Oh, last round. Oh, you have one left. So rack it. There you go. All right. So you had 1 round left. Man, that's crazy. He said, but let's see what the Taurus. Let's see what the Taurus. Go ahead and load it up with the, well, again, 8 rounds. So you got that one, and then load it up 7. I got 1 in the chamber, and I got 7 rounds. So 7 rounds. All right, let's do this. All right. Now, to be fair, these sights you can barely see them compared to a Glock 45, Glock in general. So to be fair, I'm gonna do it again with 1 hand. Bam, bam, like that. Oh, Call of Duty, Call of Duty. Oh, Call of Duty, Call of Duty. Here, right here, try to stop. Oh, what? There we go. 1 hand. See, you know, I'm a veteran. I'm a veteran. I run this. It's the first time shooting, so he's doing good for his first time shooting, though. I'll give him that. But after shooting both of these, I ain't gonna lie to you. I mean, it's not bad. I mean, it's real. Honestly, this gun is not bad to shoot, even though it's a budget gun. I mean, when I got it during COVID, it has safety. It's almost the same size as the Glock. Well, it is the same size as the Glock 19, as you can see. You know what I'm saying? But this one again is a 45, so it has the Glock 17 frame, which holds 17 rounds, and the Glock 19 slide. And this one comes with the 15 round magazine, like a Glock 19, but also comes with 2 17 round magazines. So it's similar to like this, the Glock 45. But I ain't bring them. But so far, as you saw, you know, it has just a little kick. I mean, like a Glock 19 does. Not bad, but it is what it is, you know. I mean, I haven't had any issues with it. People hate on Taurus, but ever since I got it, I never had really any issues. As you can see. Oh. You know, not bad. And on top of that too, I haven't shot it over a year. I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I haven't shot it over a year, haven't cleaned it, and you see, butter. So, I mean, you want to get it, go ahead and get you. I mean, it's better to have something than nothing. But I mean, the reason why I got into Glock is, you know, they're reliable. I mean, they've been tried over the years, and nothing but always a lot of people recommend it. Reliable. So, but me personally, never had any issues with it. Did I regret buying it? No. I mean, my first gun, it was budget. Got me into it's my first gun. So, but eventually, just upgrade, get you a Glock. You know, don't get you that Dookie Sig though. I'll tell you that. You pay more for a Sig than a Glock. And I mean, I don't know if y'all seen, they be shooting on the damn. It'll be on the holster and the shot itself.